All right, welcome to Pinheiros, one of the most modern, trendy, and fast-changing neighborhoods in Sao Paulo, Brazil. As you can see, we've got a skyscraper here, a large building anyway. Plenty of traffic rolling by. And as soon as this car gets by, we are going to take a walk, go see the rest of this neighborhood. So today we're walking through the streets of this district that has become one of the cultural and economic centers of Brazil's largest cities. Pinheiros blends old Sao Paulo with modern development, luxury apartments, nightlife, art, and an increasingly international atmosphere. We have this nice little park area here. This amazing tree. A couple of them. There's going to be a lot of new architecture to go with the old here. It's a fastly changing neighborhood in Sao Paulo. Tons of construction going on right there. Probably another high-rise building going up. This neighborhood's known for having a younger and wealthier population than much of Brazil. Many residents here work in technology, finance, marketing, media, and/or startups. It's also one of the fastest growing districts of Sao Paulo. And like some of our previous videos of Sao Paulo, you're going to see this neighborhood's super walkable. Lots of places to eat, apartment buildings. Turn up this way, looks like a little bit of an older district here. And I don't know, quite a bit of graffiti going on down this busy street. Definitely has a very different feel than Villa Mandalina, which will be coming up in our next video. Pinheiros is one of Sao Paulo's biggest food destinations. The neighborhood is packed with Brazilian food, Japanese sushi bars, Italian restaurants, upscale steakhouses, vegan cafes, and modern fusion dining. Japanese sushi comes from Sao Paulo having the second biggest Japanese population outside of Japan. We got police department here, Pinheiros. Third sectional, 14th district. And even though this is one of the wealthier parts of Sao Paulo, you're going to see a stark contrast between the buildings. Some of them quite new, some of them quite almost run down. Smash burger joint across the street. Some kind of little nightclub up top. Interesting. I think that's going to do it for Pinheiros, guys. Hit that subscribe button, like button for me, and we'll catch you again in our next video. Probably going to be Villa Mandalina when we head towards Batman Alley.